This one got hit in the side. It's getting 2 new doors, some work to repair on the quarter panel right here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Hyundai Sonata here. This one got hit in the side. It's getting 2 new doors. And then I have some work to repair on the quarter panel right here. And then there's a little bit of damage on this center post here, real minor. So I'm gonna go ahead and repair this area and get the rear door fit up. Then I'll start fitting the front door and repair this quarter panel here. So I got these 2 doors fit on this Sonata here, and I had a suspicion that this dog leg section was going to be pushed in, and it is. The door shows me exactly it's pushed in basically this whole bottom area, but mainly right here. So I'm going to weld a tab right here and make a pull. It should walk out pretty easily, but I got to bring that out in order to get that quarter panel to line up with that door correctly. So I'm going to get a tab welded on there.